Today, leading automakers are adopting a modular platform strategy for their global programs to reduce the cost of designing and manufacturing vehicles. Modular platforms help automakers to reduce the number of active vehicle programs and still maintain the flexibility needed to configure vehicles specific to local markets. However, a modular platform strategy significantly affects body-in-white manufacturing processes, as it requires body construction lines to be flexible, support reuse, and capable of quickly adapting to process changes. In this example, we will learn how Siemens PLM Software can help you manage body-in-white processes more efficiently. We will start by making sure we can account for every part of the vehicle body and check that they are assigned to the correct manufacturing operations. Next, we will define weld points for a particular body frame. Managing and correctly defining weld points and features such as rivets and fasteners are the most critical tasks for body-in-white planners. Here, we will run an intelligent query to look for welds that are not yet assigned to any particular operation. In a matter of seconds, Teamcenter lists the number of weld points that do not have an associated operation. We can then select the unassigned weld points and assign them to a specific station. We can then visualize our welding station in 3D and assign robots that will be used to complete this welding operation. Again, you will see that Teamcenter helps us to manage the library of standard equipment and resources in a searchable database. We will use search criteria, in this case payload and reach, to find the robots we can use to perform the required welding. We will also pick the controllers that can drive the robot. We will now select the robot and the controller and place them on the 3D factory floor. Furthermore, we can export the process information into a spreadsheet and observe the production costs at different points during the manufacturing process. We can analyze deviations in our planned versus actual production costs and then take any necessary corrective steps. Next, we will use the process information in Technomatic's Process Simulate to perform path planning and simulation of robotic operations. We can quickly create the simulation study of the welding operations for a synchronized multi-robot environment. We can program and simulate the native robotic programs, PLC logic, and safety interlocks in a virtual environment, thereby significantly reducing the time it takes to commission the body-in-white lines. You have seen that with an integrated manufacturing environment, you can do weld point planning, perform equipment selection and layout, and then offline program and simulate robotic weld operations. Such comprehensive lifecycle support of body-in-white processes can significantly reduce overall startup cost of your body-in-white lines.